In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the GoHighLevel solar website template and access some amazing free resources. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll have a fully customized website template ready to go for your business needs. First, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand menu where you'll find Sites. This is your main hub for all things website and funnel related. Click on it to open up your options. Depending on whether you're working on traditional websites or sales funnels, you'll choose funnels or websites. Both options are available under this section and either can suit your needs depending on what you're aiming to build. Now let's talk about importing the template. Once you're on the funnels or websites page, look for the button that says Import Funnel/Website. Clicking this will prompt you to paste a share link or snapshot link. This is essentially your gateway to downloading the template directly into your account. Copy the link that you've been provided and paste it into the designated field. Once pasted, you'll hit Import, and in a matter of moments, the template will be imported into your sub-account. With the template now in your possession, the next step is customization. This is where you make this template truly yours, ensuring it aligns with your brand and business identity. Begin by updating the logo. Simply swap out the default logo with your own by clicking on the placeholder and uploading your logo file. This could be a JPEG or PNG of your company's logo. Similarly, adjust the brand colors to match your own. This helps in maintaining brand consistency, and it ensures that the site visually represents your business ethos. Next, update the contact information. This is crucial for boosting communication efficiency and ensuring potential clients can reach you effortlessly. Check for placeholders like phone numbers, email addresses, and physical addresses. Replace them with your actual contact details. Calendars and forms come next. Depending on your service offering, you might have scheduling needs. Within the template, there's usually space set apart for these elements. Ensure your calendar links are functional and that forms collect the right information you'll need to follow up with prospective clients. Finally, let's get your domain set up. Connecting your customized template to your domain is the last critical step. Under Settings, you'd enter your domain information, pointing the DNS settings to ensure that when people enter your URL, they see your new website. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully imported and customized your GoHighLevel solar website template, setting your business up for greater visibility and success online. If you have further questions or need additional help, feel free to reach out through the comments below. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck with your new website.